Internet, what's up? This is Rod from TechGuysSmartBuy.com. So today we're talking about the Sony XB700 with extra bass, truly wireless earbuds. So these are part of their XB line, which stands for extra bass. These are their earbuds to kind of complement the more expensive WF-1000X3s. You do have the same Sony sound, but with a little bit extra bass. So we're going to talk about how well these hold up and should you pick them up or not. So the XB700s are a bit on the larger side in regards to earbuds we've seen lately. The exterior shows off the Sony logo on each bud with a textured matte finish. On top are LED indicators when charging and a multi-purpose button on each of the buds. On the interior, there's a plastic build with silicone tips. All this with an IPX4 rating of water resistance. Now, these are pretty comfortable to rock for several hours. You get really no fatigue. However, there were times where they didn't really stay in my ear. There are times where they did, and there are times where they didn't. So I don't know if that's my wax buildup, or shaping my ears, or what so have you. Keep the receipt, or make sure to throw out the box in case they don't fit you the way you'd like them to. So unfortunately, Sony didn't provide any information in regards to what kind of drivers, what kind of Bluetooth codecs they use, or any of the sorts. But it all works very well. Strong Bluetooth connection, usual range. The sound is really good, really full sound stage, and it definitely lives up to the extra bass line. Not too overbearing, but a nice push of boost while still maintaining good clarity. So now, in regards to the mics, if you're curious to hear what that sounds like, I'm in a room here, and there's like some sort of AC central air going in the background, so you're going to hear a nice hum. And this is what that quality sounds like if you're going to be on the phone with it. So now people are creeping up and getting better with the battery life, getting around 10, 11 so hours for battery life. This does 9. So 9 hours straight shot, so suggests that's what it lives up to. And then you throw it in the charging case, you get another charge out of it. You just get a total of 18 hours. The charging case has magnets, so when you put them in, they click in. It's USB fast charging, so a 10-minute quick charge will give you 60 minutes of juice. That's always welcome. So I do think that these are a good buy. I just wish that they were maybe a little towards the $100 range than $130 range. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with them, but there's a lot of, competitors, companies you've never heard of that are doing amazing things where they can give you more for your dollar. So that's just my only gripe with it. The sound is great. It's good to have IPX4 sweat water resistance, 9-hour battery life, and Sony sound. If you're not familiar with it, it's a good sound. That's our 2 cents on it. Let us know if you have any questions, anything we may have not answered in our review. We'll definitely make sure to do that in the comments. I know I'm a little behind on that. I'll get to it very soon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. And thanks for watching. Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you in the next video. Peace.